Alright, nandito tayo. So, this is how the room looks. Meron parang vanity slash, I think that's closet. Tapos dito yung bar. This is how the room looks. Ayan. Lagay ko lang yung bags ko dito. Ayan. Tapos, what else do we have here? Meron siyang balcony. The balcony overlooks dito sa garden niya. Balik tayo sa loob. Pwede din naman na yung screen lang yung i-close mo. Kasi wala silang air conditioning dito. Malamig naman sa Baguio eh. Ito pala yung suot ko. Galing lang kami ng The Manor. No. Galing na kami the Forest Lodge. Tapos eto lang yung suot ko. Eto na din yung susuotin ko when we go around town mamaya. This is sweet of them. Masarap. Masarap. Masarap siya with coffee. Merong dito eh. French press. Going to heat that one up, and then we're going to use this one here. May French press na dito. And complimentary coffee. So try natin to. After 3 minutes, we're going to push etong lid down. Tapos, pwede na. So, 3 minutes lang siya magbo-brew. Let's just bring this one here. We're heading out. Hello po.
Sa statistics office tayo kuya. Yung kasi kumuha ng birth certificate.
We're running errands this afternoon. Kasi may isa dito, hindi pa nakuha yung document niya. So we're supposed to meet with with Miss Casey, kaso lang, she's in a meeting right now. Kaya we're heading to town. Supposedly, magbe-Ben Cab kami. And also, Burnham Park. Kaya lang, we're running some errands lang din.
Later.
So, I'm having creamy tuna. Tapos si Josiah is having pesto. I think that's chicken. Chicken pesto,
Yes,
right?
Yes, chicken.
And then, kami, chamomile city. Parang coffee and tea combo.
Yes.
Ganun din kang Josiah. Kasi nasa labas lang kami. The place is called Siblings Nook.
The next day.
Nag-park kami at the side of the road. Tapos tumingin lang kami dito. Grabe, landslide dyan. Tapos, I think dyan pa yung dadaanan namin. I'm not sure. So pinayagan kami na maglakad dito sa bridge. Ito yung dam, guys. Shoot, ang ganda. Decided dito na kami mag-dinner kasi wala, na-try out lang yung dining experience dito. And ano to, hindi na rin kami lalabas ng hotel. We did the same dun sa the Forest Lodge. I think it's going to be a thing for us to try yung at least having dining experience sa hotel where we stay. So yan, baka masarap. So this is my dinner for tonight. I'm having steak and prawn, so Caesar salad. Josiah is having the Manor steak, yun. And then he's having it with mashed potatoes. Hey guys, so right after dinner, naglakad na kami dito sa garden, the Manor Garden. Sobrang lamig. I don't know if you could tell na ano to, nagpa-fog siya. So, yeah. Josiah is actually taking photos right now. Hindi siya giniginaw, guys. Ako, giniginaw na talaga ako. Yung kamay ko talaga. So, yan. We're just walking around. Siguro, anong temperature ba ngayon? Mga tao na sanay talaga sa cold. Hindi ako isa sa mga tao na yun.